स्वामी विवेकानंदाचे नाव घेतकीच याद जाता ते तांचे 11 सप्टेंबर 1893 शिकागोत धर्म परिशदेंतले उलोवप. ह्या भाशणान स्वामी विवेकानंदा बरोबरच भारताकूय नवी वळख दिली. स्वामी विवेकानंदांच्या ह्या भाशणाक मंगळारा बरोबर 86 वर्सां जाली.
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of the millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. My thanks also to some of the speakers on this platform who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that these men from far-off nations may well claim the honor of bearing to different lands the idea of toleration. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance.
स्वामी विवेकानंद शिकागोत वचचे पयलीं वर्सभर आदीं 27 ऑक्टोबर ते 2 नोव्हेंबर मेरेन गोंयांत आयिल्ले. 3 दीस राशोल सेमिनारीत वचून तांणी ख्रिस्ती धर्म समजून घेतलो. स्वामी विवेकानंदाच्या शिकागोच्या प्रवासाची सुरवात गोंयच्यान जाली.
He wanted to know more about Christianity. He came at the Margao railway station. He was received by Subrai Naik, one of the wealthy businessmen from Margao. He stayed at the ancestral house of Subrai Naik, and the room that he stayed in has been untouched, preserved, protected by the Naik family in Margao, from where he was taken to the Rachol seminary to interact with the Jesuit priests at the Rachol seminary college that was there. It was his learning from here and his visual impact about the temples of Shantadurga, Mangeshi, Mahalsa, and the churches at Old Goa that he visited during his short stay, that he made an impact on the Western world and passed on a message about Hinduism and yoga to the world. He gave Hinduism the status of a world religion. It is more important and historic for Goans because his journey to Chicago started here from Goa.
Bureau Report, Prudent.